All right, all right. Make sure that you click subscribe and like so you don't miss out on any new content. I got a great question last week in the comments on the video about Tory Lanez selling his album as an NFT. And the question was, how can you make money on music with the NFTs? And that's a great question. And this is awesome because it ties into accounting. Now, there are not that many music NFTs that are out there in circulation. And when I say not a lot, there's not thousands upon millions of them. However, in the media, we hear about these $1 million NFT albums or these 5-figure sales of NFTs, which is great. Now, how do you see these? Because there's different ways that the music NFTs can be sold. One of the popular ways and the direct way to make money is by selling the NFT. And typically what we've seen are bands, they use the typical outlets, iTunes, they get their music out there, the conventional methods. However, they'll release an NFT with limited songs or extra artwork, something that makes it a collector's item. And there's a couple of ways of doing this. So they can release that, let's say an album that's a collector's item, they can have a limited amount of those albums released. So let's say there's only 10,000 of those NFT albums, or they can release or mint these NFT albums for a limited period of time. So they could mint those albums for 2 days, and everyone who purchases one, they have a collector's item. So they make money on the purchase. So that's one. Two, in the smart contract, they can receive royalties moving forward on the resale of the NFT. So they can make money on the resale, depending on the contract. So that's situational. Also, there are other platforms like Opulous, where you can sell the whole copyright for your music with the NFT. There's also models where you can borrow against future earnings. So there's a lot of things going on here with NFTs, and we're seeing other players come into the space. For those who are curious, I would check out Opulous, who work in the music space. Now they do more than just NFT minting. They do certain types of lending against your music as well. But if you want to get some more information into that space and kind of get an idea of where it's going, now how does this tie into accounting? Revenue. Businesses are popping up. We're seeing new businesses. Also, you have to think about, this isn't going away. This is only going to get bigger. And how will the music industry move into this area? Will they move into the area of NFTs in the sense of creating platforms that will help artists to mint and create these NFTs and to sell them? So it's interesting to understand it again and know how this is working. A lot of the money being generated right now is on the art side. We're seeing it on the music side. And a lot of the chatter is that it's going to be a big play on the music side as well. So I hope that answers your question. Make money on the sale and then on resale with royalties, direct. So the great thing about the NFT, of course, there's fees with the platform and the minting, but as an artist, you can sell directly to your fan base and market this to your fan base without much of a middleman. You hear a lot of the talk that there's no middleman or there's no go-between, but there's definitely a platform to facilitate these transactions and to bring everyone together and to help the artists to create these. So there is some sort of platform and there's some sort of go-between, but it may not be that whole situation you see with a record company. Hope this answers your question. Great question. Keep them coming in the comments. Look forward to it. Make sure you subscribe, you like, so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you.